Core Clues from Spiffy Beauty. Today we're going to talk a little bit about how makeup not only beautifies you, but can actually make you a better communicator. In communication, it's always a two-way street. Someone is always the listener and someone is always the speaker. I'm going to teach you how makeup can help make you better in either one of those roles. Having flawless complexion is really important, not just to make your skin really smooth and look less shiny, but it helps the other person to focus on your face without getting distracted by your skin's imperfections like redness, dark circles, and blemishes. So to achieve a flawless complexion, your key product is going to be a foundation that matches your natural skin color. You may also use a color corrector to take away redness and dark spots, and also a concealer to brighten up the center of the face or to take away dark circles under the eyes. When you have a flawless complexion, people will be more focused on what you have to say instead of being concerned with your skin's imperfections. So the next thing we're going to be talking about is lips. So have you ever seen someone wear a bold or bright lipstick color like red? It's not just because they're trying to make a statement with their makeup or they're trying to add a pop of color. It's usually because they want you to focus on their mouth because they're going to be playing the speaker role. So this goes for people who are trying to give a speech or they're going to be singing. They want you to focus right here because they were going to be using their voice to send you a message. And so wearing a bold, bright lip color basically says, hey, look at me. So the last thing we're going to talk about today is how makeup can make you a better listener. We're going to focus on the eyes. You're a student in the classroom and you want to make sure that your instructor knows that they have your full attention. So to do this, we want to bring the focus to the eyes. We want to make the eyes a little bit more dramatic and make it, play them up by making it a little bit more smoky, go heavy on the eyeliner, use a little bit more mascara, use a little bit more lashes so that the focus, our speaker is focused primarily on our eyes. And we also want to go ahead and play down our lip. When we make our eyes a little bit more dramatic and our lips more toned down, we are saying, I'm being quiet now and I'm giving you my full attention. I'm ready to listen. The last thing we're going to talk about, eyebrows, are really important because they create a frame for your face. It gives people not just something to look at, but where they should be focused on. If you're rocking the Mona Lisa no eyebrow look, it's really distracting for people and they don't know where to focus on when they're looking at your face. So we've talked a little bit about how makeup can make you a better communicator. Firstly, we want to present a flawless complexion utilizing some foundation. 2, wearing a bold lip color, especially when you're the speaker and you have something important to say. 3, when you're the listener, you want to play up the eye, letting your speaker know that you are ready to listen. And lastly, make sure you have your eyebrows on so that people know where to focus when they're looking at your face. That's it, guys. Till next time. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to all my other social media channels on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.